Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a hairstyle. It is very easy, very what do you say, very light to carry for a day. So actually, I was just practicing one day, so I decided to why not create my steps and then try to create a bun. So it can be worn on any clothes, any hair length without any products. As I always say, I never use products because uh, it really decreases the quality of your hair because yes, your hair are really priceless. So yes, okay, so before wasting any time, let's start with the hairstyle. Okay, so first things first, comb your hair properly. Okay, after combing your hair, now we are going to make a ponytail out of these hair. Okay, so this is little bit tricky, but have patience while doing it. Okay, you can use comb or hand, whichever is comfortable. I would be using my hand. Take all your hair from the crown part. Okay, take all the remaining hair in front so that it really doesn't disturb you. Okay, now take all the push all the hair back. Okay, okay, so I wore the ponytail in my crown part. Okay, see here. Okay, now we are going to take okay, I would be describing while doing it will be better. Now take the ponytail. Okay, take some hair. Okay, now roll it up. Okay, if you want, you can roll half. Okay, then later we can roll it more. Now take out. Okay, see. Um, it is your wish as much as you want to take out the hair. It is all. It depends on you. Okay. Okay. This taking out part needs more time. Have patience while doing it. As I always say. Okay. Now we are going to roll it around the ponytail. Okay. Don't worry, if you want, you can make the bun tight. I want it little loose, so I'm going to put it little loose. Okay, now done with the first part. Now the same thing we have to do with the full ponytail. So I would be doing it and then showing it to you. Okay. So okay, I have finished the what to say, I finished the ponytail, putting into a bun. Now we are going to put rest of the hair. Okay, now take the hair back. Okay, I know I'm looking little funny, but don't worry. Okay, so take the hair back. Now you can see you have to take section by section and repeat the same thing as you did with the ponytail. Okay, now take it. Okay, take it back. Now start rolling into whichever direction you want. Okay, if you want, you can take thick sections also. Now pull out some hair. Okay, now just take this much. Okay, I've done the half part. Now take it back and put it. Okay, using a bobby pin or U-clip, whichever is comfortable. I took a U-clip for now. Now take the remaining. Use as many bobby pins and U-clips are needed. Okay, now again the same. Now I'm going to take this much section till my ear. Okay, start rolling. Okay, then the halfway, take out, pull out the hair. Now take the leftover part. Okay, now I would be showing from my left side. Okay, take. You know, my hair are actually very thin. You can see this. So it's okay. Even it's okay for some time. Yeah. Okay, take your hair. Okay. This Okay, so I did simple changes. So I would be showing you what change I did. Okay, so the leftover hair. Okay, as we take a section. Okay, now bring it back. Okay, you can see the bun starts here. Okay, now put a bobby pin here. Okay, now okay. As you put, take the remaining hair. Okay, now roll it and attach it to the bun. Okay, so this was the simple change I did. Okay, take out some hair from front. Pull out the hair. Okay, now attach it. This might be a little tricky, but don't worry, at end you'll get to know how beautiful it looks. Okay, I'm going to attach it with a U-clip. Okay, now the same we would be doing it with the other. Now I would be showing it from my right side. Take the hair, okay, take it back, slowly put here, uh, attach the hair with a bobby pin. Okay, now roll it, the remaining part, and pull it. Okay, so I just finished the hairstyle. Don't worry, it is easy, but yes, it needs time and patience, and please practice it properly. So, the steps what I did in front, the same I did it at the back. Okay, so now I would be showing it how it looks. Okay, so please hold. Okay, you can see. See how big it has come out. I really loved it. Actually, I was again practicing some hairstyle, then I decided, why not do these steps. So I did it, and I wanted to show it to you all. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell how it was, and please share, and remember to subscribe to my channel also, so that you can get more new videos and you can practice it. um, okay, so please, before doing it at the time of any what to say, any occasion or anything, please have patience and take out some time and practice properly. Okay, as I always say, don't do it on the time of the occasion, or when you want to go out. Okay, so I would be meeting you in the next video. For now,